The most important factor when removing a wheel with carbon ceramic brakes is to not damage the rotor. This is the most common situation where you could actually nick or hurt the rotors. So a lot of people who don't have a lot of experience, they remove wheels like this. And that's a bad position. And the reason why is because you can't see what's going on. You're at an angle and there's a lot of risk for the rotor. So I sat and thought, what is the best and safest approach? And that's when I found this. Okay, we have the last lug. This is the part where most people would be worried about, because when you take off the last lug, the wheel is going to be pretty much loose. I actually feel some force on my hand. With the Dolly, you have to take control of it, and we could slowly move the wheel out. And that was seamless, guys. That is a nice way to prevent any issues. All right, so the most important thing is just having control of the wheel. And if you look at my hand, you have to control it. Now, if you need to put the wheel down, I tested it and I just slowly laid it like this. Now, I wouldn't trust this. I lay it down, but knowing that you could set it down for a few seconds is pretty cool. It's just one of those things where there's a learning curve, like with any tool. Trying to navigate this out by yourself is way, way more difficult than using this. All right, to put it on, you have to understand how it works. You can rotate the wheel to line it up. Holding the wheel, we're gonna go inside, and it's not lined in perfectly. So I tried to put the wheel back with this, and it's difficult. I don't recommend using this to put the wheel back on. As a matter of fact, they already make a tool, these little guide pins, and that's gonna be the best tool to put the wheel on. So this is amazing to get the wheel off, but to put it on, it's a no-go. All right, guys, I hope you learned something. The Dolly we used is excellent to remove the wheel, but it doesn't work to put it back on. Definitely recommend the guide pins. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.